One more! Oh, man. Oh, man. You gotta have earmuffs near that thing.
Did you record it?
Yes, I did.
The way it echoes through the building.
Oh my God.
We have a cabbage car leading 782. With a cabbage car leading.
Yes, cabbage car.
I know, we should have done that.
Sometimes they...
How's it going, YouTube? Here I am at Simi Valley for a little bit of train action today. Our first train is Amtrak 765, now going to San Luis Obispo. Oh, we got a lounge car. Okay, here comes the Coast Starlight with an ALC 42 leading. It's not Operation Lifesaver. It's Operation Lifesaver's train. Nope. Starlight, now headed to Seattle. Okay, our next train should be an hour late, 774. Three sleepers, diner, lounge, and just two coaches. (774) arriving a little more than an hour late. 716 shuttle. Okay, just behind 774 is Metrolink 110. I actually hear 115 out back there. With a vacuum cleaner shoving. Oh, a hawk. Good engineer. Okay, 115 is coming out pretty soon. A train jam. Interesting, they only sound like vacuum cleaners when they're slowing down. Metrolink 115 with a vacuum cleaner leading. Okay, here comes 769, arriving a few minutes late. $21.12. it's 2112. Okay, never mind. Okay, time for a lunch break. Okay, here is 782 returning to service. That squirrel better get off the tracks. Squirrels know what they're doing. Oh, we got the ex-Disneyland car on this train. Good engineer. Did a horn blast.
We're going south to Los Angeles and San Diego. Business class in the rear. Coaches in the front and in the middle.
$69.03. It used to have a good horn and now it doesn't. Doesn't sound that bad. Okay. So we have Metrolink 121 coming up, and then 122, which replaces 784's old time slot. And then hopefully the quality return. 2121. Okay, here comes Metrolink 121 with an F59, an MP36 with the LED headlights, which means it's got to be $8.99 then.
And 121 service to Moorpark will arrive shortly on track 1.
Oh, this is $8.96. That was $8.99. Still, it's an MP36 LED headlights. And we got an all-rotom consist here. Nice. Okay. Nice. Metric 121 with MP36 896 for the LED headlights. Now leaving for East Ventura. Or does it just go to Moorpark? I think this is one that just terminates on Moorpark. Yeah. Okay. The next train should be Metrolink 122. Might even be this same train set for all I know. meet all Rotom consist. You don't find that too often. Usually it's mixed up Rotom and Bombardier cars. Okay, here comes Metrolink 122 about to arrive.
And 122 service to LA Union Station will arrive shortly on track 1.
The newly added 122 arriving about on time. It's got a vacuum cleaner.
Oh, no, not the back.
And it's got a vacuum cleaner shoving. Okay, now the Holy Train should be coming up pretty soon. Train 777 now restored to going up to heaven. This is a good train going to the good place. And it's got 2112. Down, 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 down. Train 777 now once again going up to heaven. This is a good train going to the good place. Too bad it didn't give a horn show. Okay, that'll be my last video of the day. Once the freight comes through. Okay. I'll see you all in Fullerton.